Hi everyone, I'm Jiayi with Xinhua News Agency. Welcome to Wuzhizhou Island, a popular tourist destination in South China's Hainan province. Here stands China's first tropical marine ranch. Can you see the huge concrete blocks behind me? They are artificial reefs. In 2010, Wuzhizhou Island launched a comprehensive drive to build a marine ranch and restore the marine ecosystem by placing artificial reefs under the sea and transplanting corals. Today I'm gonna show you around and watch how the houses for the marine life are built. By the end of 2020, Wuzhizhou Island Marine Ranch has placed 1,526 artificial reefs. This time, 870 more artificial reefs will be laid. Artificial reefs act as coral nursery. Corals take hold of the artificial reefs and grow. So the artificial reefs can provide habitat and protection for marine animals. In recent years, the Marine Ranch has successfully carried out artificial reef laying, marine environment restoration, and coral transplantation, gradually promoting the protection and restoration of the marine ecosystem.